Hey friends, welcome to Matchless Tech channel. In this video, we will see how we can create slide animation routing change in Angular and Capacitor. We navigate through the routes by just clicking or doing something else. Today, in applications, what we do, we just slide like this. Today, I will show you how to create this slide route change animation. Actually, it is not with the animation. We will create it with animation, or you can just later on try to animate it with your own animations. So if I click on here loans, then it changes the route. So if like I do with the cursor, so it also changes the route. So this is what we are gonna create. So let's get into the video. Let's follow the blog. Add HammerJS to Angular 17. First of all, we have to install the HammerJS in our application. If you have not done so, let's start. The first step would be to install the HammerJS. And after that, we have to install the types of HammerJS. And after that, we have to provide the animations to our module. Basically, this is our app module, and in the providers here you can see it's our app module. If you have app config.ts, you can also do that in the provider section. So here it is, import providers from, and here we need to import the Hammer module. Hammer module, it will provide us the Hammer module throughout the application. So after doing this, you can see we have imported the import providers from Hammer module, and also we have to import the HammerJS like this, so that we can use the same in our application. Right now what we are doing is, by clicking, we are changing our routes, but we want to use gestures or gestures like we do in applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn. We have a bottom navigation bar, and then we use the slides. But in Angular there is no such thing. In Capacitor there is also no such thing. So we can create this manually by using HammerJS. So let's go further. What is our we have done this step, import providers from Hammer module, and after that we have to use a function. We will use a function in the common service. If you don't have a common service, you can create, or you can use any service. We will call it change routes, and it's a simple function which will navigate us through the function, which will navigate us to the routes, through the route. So first we have to import in the constructor. We will declare router and simply import this, and after that we will get this router. So what this router is, it is private variable. We have declared it in constructor, and after that what this function will, or we can say it will take a route type of string, and we will use that route here. So it is just simple. The function is changing routes. So till now it is nothing. We have still no gesture slides. So after that what we have to do is, we have to go to the home route first. Here it is, the home route. It should be of like height of 100 VH, so that we can scroll or we can slide on the whole screen. So here we have to use a function which will be like swipe left, get the change routes, and we will pass a route to it about. So when it will be slided left, so let's see whether it is working. Go to home. Yes, it is working. You can see, it might not be visible to you right now because I'm using my laptop rather than mobile. So first of all, let's complete the code. And on this is our contact page, and here we have to use write, and here we haven't imported the common service. Remove this thing, and now let's see in the it works. You can see it's working. Now let's go to the about. About is our center route, so that means we can slide both ways there. Here it is, we can swipe right. Also, I haven't imported the constructor. Let's do that in the about also. Here it is, simple. And after that, we are using swipe right. Then we are going to, when it will be swiped right, we have to go home. And when it is, when it is swipe left, we have to go to contact. Okay, we are done with this. I hope you like the video. Let's see whether it works. You can see it perfectly works. One thing I'm gonna show you that in the global, so that the CSS applies to everything, I am gonna give a class home height 100, so that it comes to center, so that we can slide anywhere. You can see now slides up. So this is how we can do this in Angular and Capacitor. So I hope you like this video, you like this tutorial. If so, please subscribe to the channel and wait for the more tutorials. Goodbye.